welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Stars Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with this Tonic craft kit, Tonic Studios craft kit for this month. Again, this is the second month that we've gotten the beautiful monochromatic box. It's just white with grays and black, and I like how they just say monthly box of craft products. So let's see what's in this one. I didn't see that. Oh, it didn't do that much. And look, I love how they do that. Hello! We hope you enjoy your craft kit. This is super cool. Alright, so let's take things out. I love the new way they're doing things. Alright, that's all in there. Set that to the side. So first we're going to look at, we'll look at these since these are already open. Seems like I've already got some of these. Maybe they were white, but this is ivory white. Maybe, I think I got this in the last month, but I think they were white. So maybe that's what they're including now. Got card blanks and envelopes. I love them. There are 10 in here. 10 cards and 10 envelopes. That's pretty cool. Alright, so let's look at this beautiful paper. Let me take the list out. Alright. So this, I don't know what this is. Okay. Let me take this out. This is how we know what's in this, what's the name of the papers. I love the new folder you keep the papers in. Alright, so classic card. This one right here is the classic card cream. I'll make sure y'all not looking at me. Sorry. Cream. And then we got the classic card mauve purple. I love the texture on these. And then we got pearlescent. Yeah, that is pearlescent. Gleaming lilac. That is so pretty. Let's skip. This one is the iridescent mirror card. Petal pink. Look how beautiful. Absolutely love that mirror card. So pretty. Specialty card. Specialty card. I'm trying to see which one this is. We'll do this one first. This one's called Lilac Waves. Look at that beautiful wave pattern. Absolutely love it. That's a beautiful card. I am confused. There's nothing on the back, and these three look the same to me. Let's see. Peach Parfait. I'm thinking this one is called Peach Parfait. Out of the three that I'm, the other two I'm about to show you, this is more peach. And it has the heart imprint. I love it. And then this one is either warm dahlia or golden I think this is dahlias. So we'll call this one warm dahlia. Because it looks like a flower. I know a dahlia is a flower, so that looks like a flower on there. It probably is. And then this one has to be golden mosaic. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely love that pattern on there. And it's embossed in this. So those are the papers this month. Very beautiful. I love this little envelope. Alright. So let's get into this bag. Y'all know the Nouveau stuff is in here. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I haven't had this. I haven't tried this, guys. This is the Craft Tacky Glue. Wow. Okay. This is cool. So that's awesome. Now I'm able to try this. Craft Tacky Glue. That needle is a little bit smaller than the Nouveau Deluxe adhesive. Well, not really. It's just got a narrow point. But this is like a tacky, just like the other tacky glue that we like to use. So I'm awesome. That's awesome to try that. And my scissors. We got some chalk mousse. I don't think I've had chalk mousse. This is called Iced Plum. Look at that beautiful color. Love it. Let's see, make sure it ain't open. Nope, it's not open. Awesome. That is a beautiful color. And I know they say it's just like chalk when you put it on. That chalky feeling. Then we got Hybrid Ink Pad Spring Heather. That's a pretty purple. But you can see the true color there. Very pretty. Oh Lord, the rooster's roosting out there. Let's see. Then we got a small pot of soft lilac embossing powder. It's just enough to do a couple of cards if that's what you're doing. It's very pretty. Then we got some glitter. And this one is called Pure Sheen Glitter and it's Violet Infusion. Look how pretty that is. Y'all know it's always sealed, so that's awesome. But you can see the color there. Sorry for the roosters, guys. He just decided he gonna roost today, right now. I thought only roosters roosted in the morning, but it's evening time. He letting everybody know it's time to go to bed, I guess. Then I got Nouveau Drop Crystal Drop, and this is Pale Gold. Pale Gold. Awesome. I think I got that one, but never have too much. So those are the sets we got this month. And then our dies. This is the sticker now called Vintage Pop-Up Sentiment. So that's what they're doing now instead of the numbers. No, I normally had a number there. So I think I'm going to start putting them on there. Alright. So let's see what we got. Take everything out. I love the little folder. Okay. So first, I see we got some sentiments. For a friend, thank you. You're the best. Seems like I've had this already. Huh. We're going to have to see, because I think I got that. That might be wrong. I know they didn't send me two. I just feel like I've had this one already. Have y'all seen it before? I'm not for sure. I feel like I just had this one. But if I do, I'll call them. But there's one part of it. I know it's something like a slider card that they were saying. Yeah. So I don't think these stamps are supposed to go with this one. I'm not for sure. Let me open it up. Maybe I'm mistaken. Come on. Alright. So of course it's called a pop-up easel card. Okay, so this, make two of those. I love how you give the instruction. Fold it. And it's on an acetate. I love that. But I don't see a picture of what it looks like. Okay. Here we go. If y'all can see that. They really should be a little bit bigger so you're able to see. But this right here is like a pop-up. And you can change the sentiments in the center of the oval here. I think there's two of them. Yeah, there's one here, one here. You know I can't read what it says. Let's see. Just to say... And then you can't read that one because it's beige. This one says just to say. I don't know what this one says. And then I love that thank you. The swirls on it is beautiful. So I'm excited to play with this one. I can see the different angles and all that, but it's a lot. Look like intricate. I'm going to have to watch somebody's tutorial. But that is the die set for this month and stamp. Seems like I've had that one. I don't know. But it's called the Vintage Pop-Up Sentiment. With all these beautiful papers that we got. And the beautiful adhesives and chalks, glitter, ink, and another set of ivory white envelopes and card bases. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye-bye.